for beef ban countrywide, but will this only create more fear when statements like this are made? But for the moment, I want to move to the other big story we're tracking here on Headlines today, and that is separatists daring the Mufti Muhammad Saeed and BJP government in Jammu and Kashmir. Separatists once again raised the Pakistan bogey when supporters of Mirwais Umar Farooq waved Pakistan flags in Srinagar earlier this afternoon. This is the fourth time Pakistani flags have been seen in Srinagar since April. After the Hurriyat hawks, it's even the Hurriyat moderates who are doing this. The question is, can the J&K government afford to turn a blind eye to the increasing presence not just of Pakistan flags but now also of Islamic State, and in one instance Lashkar-e-Taiba flags that are coming up in one pocket of downtown Srinagar?
Pakistan flags resurfacing near the Jamia Mosque in Srinagar after Friday prayers. In a bid to challenge the Jammu and Kashmir state government, Hurriyat supporters raised Pakistan flags at a rally. This is a second dare by the separatists in just 3 days. The latest provocation comes 2 days after supporters of Mirwais Umar Farooq was seen waving Pakistan flags and chanting pro-Pakistan slogans at a rally in Jammu and Kashmir's capital. With their leader under house arrest, Mirwais' supporters took out a protest rally, clashing with the police and pelting stones. Reacting strongly, security forces resorted to tear gas shelling and a lathi charge. As the anti-India protests continue to snowball in continuing rallies, the chorus for a crackdown grows to take stringent action. With Ashraf Wani and Shujaul Haq in Srinagar, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
PDP's Abhijit Jasrotia joins me with the latest, but I also want to quickly bring in Headlines Today Shujaul Haq, who joins me from Srinagar. Shuja, why is the Mufti Muhammad Saeed government appearing so weak? Why is action not being taken against these people who are unfurling Pakistan's flag, Lashkar-e-Taiba's flag, and in one instance even the Islamic State's flag?
Well, as far as the government is concerned, to be really frank enough, I don't think much is being done. There can be only two reasons to it. One, either the government, feels that these incidents should be just ignored. There shouldn't be much importance that should be given to these events or the incidents of flag waving, or they really don't know how to deal with it. Like, for example, today's incident or the event in which there was no particular face, no leader, so to speak, who one can associate to. So in a situation like this, so who do you take action against? It's a mob where random people can come up and wave flags. That could be possibly one of the dilemmas that the government has. But the strategy, the planning, or the policy that the agencies will have towards it is something that needs to be definitely clarified. Whether they want to take any action against these kind of incidents, or they just want them to be there, ignore them, not give them much importance. That's something that the government will definitely have to explain.
Shuja, stay with me. I also want to bring in Abhijit Jasrotia, the spokesperson of the PDP, who now joins me for more on this. Now, this is the second dare this week, the fourth dare since April. Is the Mufti Muhammad Saeed government, Abhijit, complicit, or is it powerless against a handful of separatists in downtown Srinagar?
No, we are no way powerless, or we are not that we cannot deal with such a sort of situation. We are dealing it in the best way. And whenever anybody crosses the lines of the law, so he's taken care. Now, let me tell you one thing. It's a problem. It's not a problem of just, you say, 2 or 3 months. It's a problem of 60 years. How can you expect a government which is hardly 60 days old to deal with a problem in just a fortnight? It will take some time, no doubt. And I think the situation is no way worse than 2010 or 90s era. It is improving day by day.
No, but the fear is, unless you arrest this, Abhijit, it will deteriorate to 2010. The intelligence agencies warned about this the moment your government pushed for Masarrat Alam to be released from jail. Intelligence agencies warned. The National Conference has gone on record to say they kept Masarrat Alam in jail, and that is why there was peace in Jammu and Kashmir. You got him out. The intelligence agency said within a week there will be trouble, and within a month now you have stone pelters back in Srinagar. Isn't your government complicit in the situation sliding back?
No way we are complacent. And talking about national conference, they cannot say anything about it because they are the person, they are the particular government who has given birth to all these problems, including Congress with them. So they cannot say anything about it. Talking about my party, no, obviously we are dealing with the situation and situation is improving day by day. No, these people are feeling alienated or maybe feeling frustrated. That is why these are doing, and these are handful of people who are doing such a thing.
Then
and
why
they are
can't you
doing it
arrest
with
this
the plan?
handful?
You see-
If it is just
you
a
see,
handful, if
we
it
are-
is just
we-
a
who
handful,
says-
arrest them, put them in jail. Let the writ of the
we are
state
arresting.
prevail.
Who says the arrest of Masrat Alam, arrest of others is there, and when somebody will cross the lines of the law, we can only arrest him. Then how can you expect before
Is
anybody
waving
crosses the lines of
Pakistani
law? How
flag
can
and
we arrest?
shouting pro-Pakistani slogans not crossing the line, according to you?
They are crossing the line. So we are also arresting such sort of people. Who says we are not arresting such sort of people?
How many people
Let us see
arrested
the
today for
situation.
what happened in downtown Srinagar after the Friday prayer outside the Jamia Mosque? How many
Of
arrested?
The police is taking care of the things. Don't you see all the things which police has done today? They have done all this to disperse the mob, to disperse all those things. And now we cannot do killing for such a thing. Now we cannot go beyond the lines of the law. You kill any one person and
Not
again
one man has been arrested. Abhijit just wrote here. Shujaul Haq was reporting not one man has been arrested for the trouble today.
So
but
that
that's
is
one
what
part
I
of
am
the story.
saying.
Do you realize
We
that
have to
Kashmir
avoid the
desperately needs
situation.
tourists? Tourists will run away
So that is
if
there,
this
na?
happens.
Let me tell you, Gaurav, one thing. Tourists won't run this way. But if you will keep on trying to keep on showing these flags again and again, then you will definitely scare the tourists. But if you will avoid such sort of incident by showing it on in media, no, what internationally, what message we are giving that these handful of people have made it a Pakistan? This is all through the media. If you will going to show this flash again and again on your channel, then definitely tourists are going to get scared. So this.
No,
this
you are
becomes our
saying
moral
media
duty.
should not
After-
show it.
after-
That is
after
what
lot
Defence
of-
Minister Manohar Parrikar also said.
They should
Don't show
abstain
it.
it.
Why can't you stop
They
it from
should abstain
happening?
it.
We will show what happens. Why
Let me
can't
tell you
you
what-
stop it from happening?
Gaurav, one thing is there. Again, I said 60 years problem cannot be tackled in 60 days. We are doing the best. Now, if such sort of small incidents are happening anywhere, let us ignore them. Ignorance is the best policy. Once you will ignore them, why these people are doing such a thing? To get media attention. Once media won't pay attention to them, then this problem is sorted out. So why don't we understand such a situation?
Sir,
After
a
so many
spark
endeavors, we
neglected
have done-
burns the house, and you must keep that in mind. Never forget. Today you
Gaurav,
ignore this.
this
Tomorrow
spark-
they will spread out of downtown Srinagar. I completely concede they are in a small part. They are
No,
only in
Gaurav,
downtown
no way,
Srinagar.
I don't-
But tomorrow they will
No,
get out
Gaurav,
of the
we
Jamia
don't-
Mosque area. Tomorrow they will get out of Mysuma, and you will have trouble even along the Dal.
No, Gaurav, no way this is going to happen. This spark is now getting extinguished. This is getting extinguished. That is why this is the last time of the spark. And you know, whenever a flame comes to its ends, it's going to bubble like that only. So this is no way that spark neglected is going to burn the house.
Okay.
We know very well how to deal with such sort of situation. You take my words on it. The situation is going to improve. We just need cooperation from all news channels to help us out on these things, and do not flare up the issues from your side
Okay.
at least. And let us not scare those tourists. That
Abhijit
is my appeal to you.
Jasrotia, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. We will continue to track this story very, very closely.